either 2 ways to redeem a retail code via the Epic Games Launcher or via the Epic Games Store website. Epic Games Launcher. 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher. 2. Log into your Epic Games account. 3. Click your name in the upper right corner. 4. Click Redeem Code. 5. Enter the code and then click Redeem. Note, you should receive a message that the code was successfully redeemed. 6. Click back to home to return to the launcher homepage. Epic Games Store. 1. Open your internet browser. 2. Go to https://www.epicgames.com/store or click here. 3. Log into your Epic Games account where you want to redeem your code if you're not logged in already. 4. Hover your mouse over your name in the top right corner and click Redeem Code. 5. Enter the code and then click Redeem. Note, you should receive a message that the code was successfully redeemed and the game should be available in your Epic Games Launcher library.